Troops, good evening. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merch, cream silk sachet, conditioner po yan, 11 ml. Para alam nyo kung anong mga Unilever Company merch. Cream silk, Reborn Standout Straight, with Triola oil conditioner with a blend of argan, rosehip, and maruya oils. Ayan. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit sa small stores. Meron din tayong New Recream Ultimate Reborn Hair Fall Defense Trio Oleo Conditioner with a blend of argan, rosehip, and marula oils. Ayan. Meron din tayong Cream Silk Ultimate Reborn Dry Rescue Trio Oleo Conditioner with a blend of argan, rosehip, and marula oils din. 11 ml po yan. Meron din tayong Cream Silk Ultimate Reborn Long Lucious. Ganon din, Trio Oleo Conditioner with a blend of argan, rosehip, and marula oils. And meron din tayong Cream Silk Ultimate Reborn Damage Control Trio 3 Oleo Conditioner with a blend of argan, rosehip, and marula oils din. Yan. Available po yan sa any grocery stores o kahit small stores. Then ito sila. Meron din tayong buy 11 and get 1 free. So promo sa ngayon. So that's it for today's Unilever Company merch videos. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merch videos. Respect, never give up, always rise. God bless us all, always.